Hey everyone, I hope y'all are having a great day. I have some important info for small business owners out here. So this letter looks like it might be from the government. It's not. So I'm going to show you how to tell this. So when you register your LLC with the Secretary of State's office, your information becomes public record. That means another business can go on there and figure out where you're located and send mail to you. So that's really what this is. But it looks like it's coming from the government, and that's intentional. They want you to think that. Honestly, these sort of businesses are operating in a very gray area to me. I would consider this almost a scam type of business, but technically it's not, but it feels like it to me. And I'll show you why. So you get this letter and it talks about renewing your LLC for the year, for 2021. And a lot of this information in here is somewhat accurate, right? Like if you don't renew your LLC, you're going to become administratively dissolved. That sounds really scary to a small business owner. They might have thought that they missed a renewal deadline or something, so they might get this and go ahead and pay. Don't do that. So this letter is not from the government. So if you look in the bottom left-hand corner, it says 2021 business or Georgia business compliance. That's not from the state of Georgia, believe it or not. So if you flip this thing over, you'll see here, this product or service has not been approved or endorsed by the federal, Georgia, or any other government. So you gotta turn it over and read this thing, and then they want you to enclose a check for $135. But if you don't read this letter carefully, you can get tripped up, right? And you send it to the Georgia Business Compliance. It sounds like a government office, but again, it's not. Now, this renewal, they're saying is costing you $135. It doesn't. So if you go over here on the Secretary of State's website, in order to renew your LLC, you just go down here, Corporate Annual Registration, click on it, and then you see here, one-click annual registration with no changes. You click this, and it is $50 per year to renew your LLC, or about that. You just put in your business information and renew it. That is all this company is going to do. They're going to take your check for $135. They're going to take your business information. They're going to go on the Secretary of State's website and they're going to renew it for you. But they're going to make like $85 of profit when you could have just spent 3 seconds and did it yourself. So this is what I mean by this is operating in a gray area and is almost scam to me, like a scam business, because they're really not doing anything. They're just doing what you could have done in 2 seconds, but they're doing it for $85 more. So be careful out there. Make sure that the letters that you're getting for your business are actually from the government if it has to deal with government correspondence. Otherwise, chances are this is just some smaller LLC or smaller business that is just gonna do what you could have done very easily, but upcharge you like over 100%. So be careful, don't get tricked.